Hello guys, this is an honest review of the Samsung 27-inch Full HD 1080p M5 series smart monitor and streaming TV. This TV allows me to watch from streaming apps like Netflix, HBO, Prime Video, and more. You can also download some other apps within the device just by going to the apps section right here and navigate through the apps and see if the apps that you like is available. Another thing I like about this is that it comes with a remote, a compact remote. It's very ergonomic, very cute, and very functional. It also has a built-in Apple AirPlay, Bluetooth, and the speakers are also built in. It also has two HDMI ports at the back for anything that you want to connect, like your computer, and also two USB ports in case you want to connect a USB that has a picture or a video. Now, let me show you some sample footage of this TV.
Thank you. To all the fans in the city of Chicago, if you guys remember in 1984 when they drafted Michael Jordan, I said then when I got here that we'll be champions by the time I leave. Here they are. This is what you're looking for. But we're a five-time champion going for six, and we need your support. Thank you very, very much.
There you go, guys. There's one more feature that I wanted to show you about this monitor. It's called the PC to screen. And this feature allows you to connect devices to this monitor without using a cable. So you can connect to this monitor wirelessly. So right now I'm connecting my Windows laptop to this monitor using the feature in the Windows Connect to a wireless display. So I'm configuring my laptop right now, and now my laptop is detecting the monitor and it's trying to connect to it. And there you go, guys. You can see that I did not attach any cables whatsoever, and now you're looking at the desktop of my laptop, and I really enjoy this monitor. I consider this as one of my best purchases, so I highly recommend the Samsung M5 Full HD 1080p smart monitor and streaming TV. Thank you.